In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Heatmap in Tradingview. If you're looking to analyze financial markets with an easy-to-understand visual tool, Tradingview's Heatmap feature is an excellent place to start. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex markets, this tool provides a clear snapshot of market trends and performance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access and customize the Heatmap to suit your needs. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Tradingview website by typing in www.tradingview.com and pressing enter. Tradingview is a powerful platform for market analysis, and this is where you'll find the Heatmap feature that we'll be exploring today. Once you're on the homepage, hover your mouse over the Products tab at the top of the page. You'll notice that this reveals a drop-down menu with a variety of tools and features. This is where we'll find the Heatmap. From the drop-down menu, locate the section labeled Screeners. Just below that, you'll see the option for Heatmap. Go ahead and click on Heatmap. This will take you directly to the interactive Heatmap page where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Heatmap page, take a moment to observe the colorful grid in front of you. What you're looking at is a visual representation of different stocks or securities. Each block on the grid represents a specific stock, and the colors indicate market trends. For example, brighter colors might represent stocks that are surging, while cooler tones might highlight lagging stocks. This visual layout also helps you quickly assess sector performance at a glance. At the top of the Heatmap page, you'll notice a variety of filters that you can use to customize your view. These filters allow you to narrow down the data based on your specific preferences. For instance, you can filter by market cap to focus on companies of a certain size, or by sector to analyze specific industries like technology, healthcare, or finance. You can also filter by performance to see which stocks are gaining or losing over a certain time period. If you're interested in exploring broader markets, you can switch to options like crypto or forex to analyze trends in those areas. Take your time to experiment with these filters and see how they affect the Heatmap display. Once you've customized your view, you can click on any individual block within the Heatmap to dive deeper. This will bring up detailed information about the specific stock or security you've selected. You'll be able to see key data like its current price, performance over time, and other valuable metrics that can help inform your analysis. This step is especially useful if you're tracking a particular stock or considering making a trade. Now, don't stop there. Feel free to experiment with the filters and layouts to find a configuration that works best for your trading style or interests. For example, you might prefer a layout that focuses exclusively on one sector or one that displays a mix of different markets. If the data feels a bit overwhelming at first, don't worry. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout, and you'll soon find it much easier to navigate and interpret. And that's it. You now know how to access, customize, and use the Heatmap feature on Tradingview to analyze market trends and performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.